Alright, so let's trade the Betfair pre-race horse markets. I make these videos here to illustrate one key point. If you want to be a successful trader, you have to learn the basics. You have to understand why you're making mistakes. You have to understand why the markets are moving against you. And you have to start with small stakes. Because if you cannot trade profitably with £2 stakes or £10 stakes, you will never be able to trade with £50 stakes or £100 stakes. So if you're a beginner, you have to start small and you have to understand how and why the market moves, all right? So I trade live, so I do hum and haw, and I do miss certain opportunities because trading live and recording and talking to you is difficult, okay? But I do my best to try and illustrate to you why the market moves and how it moves, okay? So we'll jump in now and do some trading. All right, so here we are at kill. So again, it's not a lot of money matched already, but so the third favourite here has gone past the 6, and the second favourite is about to cross over the 4. So at this point, I'm just going to kick back here and wait until the 5-minute mark when the market starts to liven up a bit. So I'll be back in a few seconds when I see something that's worth trading. But one thing I can do though is you can see that the second favourite is about to break through the 4 there. So if it does, I'll jump in here with a few stakes here, just to try and get ahead of the queue. And I've got my global settings activated, so it automatically offset that by 1 tick. And that way I'm ahead of the queue. I might do the same here for the third favourite, just in anticipation that they might drift, right? So I'll pause the video here and I'll come back when things start to liven up. So here we go. 5 minutes is coming up here, and you can see the second favourite has just crossed the 4 and has taken my first position there. Again, I'm not going to panic. I'll wait a few seconds here, and it's probably going to take my second position there as well. I'm looking for a reaction in the market somewhere, but I can't really see anything. Where did that go? Let's bring that over here. So at this point, I'm quite happy to wait here. I'm not going to panic about this losing position here because it's come out quite a lot, quite quickly. And what normally happens is there is a reaction, and then the market sort of settles down a bit. So like I said, right now I'm quite happy just to leave this because I'm not going to panic about such a short little drift. And also because you can see here that the third favourite has not broken through this here either. The favourite's just bopping round, it's not moving at all either, so there's no reason why I need to panic here about the second horse drifting out. In fact, I might actually add to this position here just because yeah, as I said, there's no reason. There's no reason why this is going to keep drifting because there's nothing else happening on any other horses, and you can see the market's not really moving at all. So you can see now it's and this one's put in 6 as well. You can see now the favourite is starting to drift, which is good news for us. That's exactly what we want. And so right now this is looking good. Just need to get some back money coming in for the favourite here, or the second favourite. And so you can see that our next position has also been taken now. So at this point, I'm not going to add any more money to the backside here because obviously, I'm not going to just continue to do that and hope it's going to come back in. I'm going to leave that for now, and if it comes up to sort of 4.9, 4.5, I'll just take the loss. and I'll just suck it up. But for now, like I said, I'm quite happy to leave this. I'm quite happy to wait, because you can see the favourite is on the drift. This third here is coming in, and if this fourth here does not break through the 6, then you know I'm in quite an okay position. So I'm quite happy to wait here. Because you see there's no real money being matched here on 4.6 yet, so I'm quite happy to sit here and wait for now. And as you can see there, the price is coming back down again. This event will start in 60 seconds. And my first position taken, and hopefully my second one will also move up here, because there's only 50 seconds left. But you can see there, you know, a little bit of patience. Just keep an eye on the market. Okay, you can see now my positions here have been taken as well on the fourth favorite here. And because I was so far ahead of the queue, it means it gets taken much quicker, right? So this one here, I'll just move up here, because they are lining up now, and I want to get out. So I'm quite happy to take a smaller profit. That's been taken, and this one is taken here as well. So you can see there, you know, just by sitting patiently, calm, collected, you can nip in and out of the market very quickly. And I've taken a £1 profit again. Using £10 stakes, had I been using 50 or £100 stakes, you know, the results would have been very, very different. But it's not about that. It's about getting the trades correct and actually reading the market, and you know, being in the green. And that's what matters. Okay. So the horse are now, they're lining up now. So I'm just going to exit this trade here, and I'll jump on the next race.